Try these Central Maryland home design trends in 2024. Do you have plans to renovate or redecorate your home this year? If so, you definitely want to check out our latest blog post. We're sharing 6 home design trends to embrace in 2024. Hi, my name's Mark Hewitts and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland, and we have Central Maryland covered. I'm eager to share these trends with you because they have the potential to boost the beauty of your home, the functionality, and the value of your home. I'm particularly excited about the timeless renovations. Nearly half the homeowners opted for timeless design as a sustainable choice during renovations. The homeowners cited that long-term cost effectiveness and environmental consciousness as their main motive when they chose timeless design. And along with those things, check out the minimalist decor. In a rapidly changing, technologically driven world, it's no surprise that homeowners want a nurturing space with lasting appeal, especially if they plan to stay in their homes for the years to come. For more design trends to watch this year, check out our blog post. You can find it in the caption below or go to www.mdreprosblog.com. And if you're starting a home design project soon, reach out to chat. We know some of the best contractors here in Central Maryland, and we'd be happy to share our insights on upgrades and updates that will make it easier or harder to sell your home when the time comes. Akuma Matata, it means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Have a great week. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.